This is Harsh, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically connect Telegram to your N8N workflow. Again, this is the series of videos where I'll be showing you how you can connect basically Slack, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other chat-based application that will basically help you to create an agent, chat agent, or let's say for example, if you want to say something to in Telegram message, and then based on that you want to take some actions, or you want that workflow to take some action and then get back to you with the output. So in those cases this will be really helpful. And also because I have like self-hosted my N8N in Hostinger. So like if you have done the similar thing, again it's depend like in which platform you did it. But again, if you've done similar thing, you would know that connecting all of these integrations in N8N would be a little bit tricky to that, right? So I'll show you how you can basically do that step by step, so that you will have a clear understanding of how to do that for any other integrations available in the available in the N8N workflow, right? So yeah, now without wasting any more time, let's straight jump into the video. So now let's start with how you can connect Telegram with your N8N workflow. Again, in it is like connecting Telegram is really easy. So the first step would be like you need to go to Telegram. Let's say if you're using it on your computer, let's say in Mac or Windows, just go to this link web.telegram.org/org, and then you just need to basically scan a QR code from your mobile, and then that's how you can basically sign up to your or sign into your Telegram web app, right? Once you are inside into the Telegram web app, now just search for BOT bot further, and this particular bot will help you to create a new bot that you can then use in the N8N, right? So now what actually you need to do is just type slash new bot and click on that, right? And yeah, now it is like telling you to give it a name. So let's say for example, I'll give it a name, Rag chatbot, right? So yeah, so now once you give it a name, you need to like select the username for that bot. You can put it anything. My bad. Yeah. Okay. Let me remove s from the in the end. Oh, nice. So now this particular username has been accepted, and now we have got few information around that particular chatbot, right? And then the very important information that is what we need for the N8N is this token that this particular bot for that chatbot has generated for us for our particular chatbot, right? So now copy this token and basically click on this, search for Telegram, and then again here you can basically select the trigger. So in N8N, basically the first step always should be the trigger, right? So let's say for example in your Telegram app you want to send a message, and based on that message, let's say if you want this particular workflow to take some actions, and in the end you want this workflow to give you a output in such a way, right? For that, what you can do, basically you can select this on message trigger. So whenever like you send a message to this particular workflow, whenever like you send a message in Telegram, this particular workflow will trigger, and then it will then process the information as per the workflow, and then it will give you the output, right? So now here I already had connected one bot here for a specific use case, and then this is the use case. This is around this I have published one video a day before. You can just watch this video where you can create your own prompt engineer agent that will help you to create a prompt based upon your query, right? So get back to this video. So for now, let me not this one, not this. Let me create a new credential for this one, and here you just need to paste your access token. And for name, let's see if you want to give it a name so that you can remember for this particular credential is like for which bot, right? Reg chat bot. Yeah, that's it. And save it. And now this particular workflow is ready to work upon. So now let's test this workflow. Click on this test button, and in the Telegram, let's give it some message. Let's send some message. Hey, issue because of due to like Telegram API limitation, you can at any given time you can only use one trigger at a time in any sort of active workflow, right? So I only had one active workflow which I just switched off, and then let's test this workflow as well. So now click on this test workflow, and then let's say if I send a message, hey, how are you? So when once we send this message will be caught by this particular workflow, right? Okay. Yeah. I don't know why it is taking so much time, but let's first, yeah. Now let's test this workflow, and yeah, we've got this message. Hey, how are you? And if you just see this message, hey, how are you? So now it is saying that our workflow is like successfully, the Telegram connection has successfully created. And now whenever like we send any sort of message to this particular chatbot, this particular workflow will trigger and then do some further actions, right? So yeah, this is how you can basically connect your Telegram with the N8N. Now if you have any questions or if you have any doubts regarding this video, just let me know and I'll be able to help you in that, and if required I'll make a video on that as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.